beautiful people, welcome back. It's your girl again, Queen Maria B. If you are new here, my name is Mariama. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, share the video to family and friends. If you don't, you are a hater. No, I'm just kidding. Without you guys, I'm no one. So guys, let's make this channel popular this 2020. Okay, today's video is about this look, how I create this look. I come to share with you guys how I create this easy look. It's very easy, it's not difficult. So you can follow me in my Instagram, Queen_Mariam B. You can DM me, send me a message, and immediately I see your message, I will reply you. Okay, let's go into video and stay tuned. Stay tuned and see how I create this easy look. First, I'm going with my primer called Dogly. Prime and Glow Basic. Okay. Now I'm going with my foundation from MAC. If you guys are seeing it properly. Pro Long Wear Foundation Waterproof. Now I'm going with my concealer, Too Faced concealer called Hogany. I'm going ahead and apply the concealer. Now I'm going with my setting powder, banana setting powder, to set the place I apply my concealer. Now I'm going with my eyeshadow. I'm going to use this Too Faced palette. I don't know if you guys are seeing it properly. These colors are super duper. Super duper. First I'm going with this color here. With it. This color here. I'm going with this color here. Second, I'm going with this color here. Now I'm going with this color here. I'm going ahead to apply this one, this color. Wow, this color is super duper. Now I'm going ahead to apply this one here, this one here. Now I'm going to apply my mascara, Too Faced mascara called Better Than Sex. Better Than Sex. Now I'm going to fix my lashes and get back soon. Lashes are done. Woo! Now I will go with my contour. My contour. Now I'm going with my finishing powder called Black Opal. Now I will go ahead to line my lip with the lip liner. Now I'm going to apply my lipstick. This here from Too Faced, and then color Coconut Butter Lipstick Balm. Now it's time to apply highlight from Too Faced. Now I'm going with my MAC setting spray to set my face. Okay, my beautiful people, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys love this look. If you do, please give me a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to share my videos to family and friends. Comment, let me know what you guys think on this whole look. I mean this whole look. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.